I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need an eligible iPhone, signed an Apple ID, two-factor authentication, and US region to use Apple Cash. Once ready, open Wallet and tap the Apple Cash card. If you don't see it, tap the plus sign to add a card. Tap Set up Apple Cash and follow the on-screen prompts. This starts the account creation. Do this now so you can proceed to identity verification and funding. These prerequisites prevent setup interruptions and satisfy regulatory requirements. Next, you'll provide personal details to verify your identity. Apple requires name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Once entered, Apple may request a photo ID. Follow prompts to upload a clear image. This prevents identity fraud and unlocks higher limits. After verification starts, add a debit card or link a bank account in Wallet to fund Apple Cash and enable transfers. Make sure your billing address matches your official records to avoid delays. Once verification completes, enable Apple Cash in settings under Wallet and Apple Pay and confirm your defaults for payment. Test the setup by sending a small amount, like $1, through messages to a friend and confirm it appears in Wallet. This verifies funding and transfer functionality. If setup fails, first update iOS, confirm US region and two-factor authentication, and sign out and back into your Apple ID. If issues persist, contact Apple support. Often a software update or re-authentication fixes the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.